So, welcome to the workflow where the user can sign in by entering their email address and password. By clicking the sign in button, you will be taken to the overall dashboard, which contains the new project section, upcoming task, existing projects, and the activity feed. When you move to the next section known as the projects folder, you can view the overall activity, including active projects. By clicking the plus icon, you can create a new project by entering the project title, description, and due date, which is optional. By selecting the user login button, you can join a project using a 6-digit code. The next section, which is known as the AI assistant, where you can ask your queries and the AI will respond the answers. Finally, the profile page shows your overall profile and work experience details. By returning to the project section, you can create another new project by giving the project title. Here I have referred to it as the new project and entering the description as per your preference. You can also choose a project due date, which is optional, and then create the project successfully. After create it, you can copy the project code. Then you can explore the tasks folder, which contains upcoming task, completed task, and overdue task. By clicking the task button, you can enter the task title and task description based on the work assigned to you. So now here I have been kept the description as the dummy task. You can give as per your preference, and I have been set my due date to the 26th November. So after clicking the create task, the new task have been created successfully. So and the now you can see about the next view, which is known as the notes app. By clicking the icon in the notes app, you can manage the permission, edit notes, and delete them. So when you click the icons, they enable or disable the permissions. By selecting the edit option, you can also able to edit any of the previously created task or note. So by giving any of these sentences and click the changes button will update the note. By creating a new note, you can enter the title and the note content, and you will see that the new note is created successfully by clicking the button create note options in it. So this is the overall for the notes app option. And now you can see about the GitHub, where you can clone your GitHub repository and view all your code. The GitHub page also contains an about section and a settings option, so which is used to tell about the overall content in a single page. And next is about the AI assistant, where once again you can ask your queries. For example, if I type something regarding about the projects, is there any pending task, the AI will respond according to it. So it will also display dummy task details based on your project inside the workflow app. You can select the option to save the response as a note, and when you return to the notes app, you can able to see that the saved task is added from the AI assistant. And the next you can see about the saved notes in the notes app. And the next is the chat section. In the chat app, you can have the discussions with your teammates. When I send a message like hello or any of your wish, you can able to edit it and the app will show the edited message. So in that it have been edited to it. Then you can see about the people. In the people you have the team members and their profile page into it. So when you click that, you can able to see the contributions of the each of the team member. So now I have been moved to the stats, which is the project statistics of the recent activity, task distribution, completed task, and note created. By clicking each of this, you can see detailed contributions made by each team member. So now this is my task overflow it. Then I have been copied the code and I'm going to logging out of my profile. So now when I open the workflow again with the another account, for example, if I open the workflow with the Meera Satyam account, I can add a new project by signing with my email address and the password. So here I have been entered my email ID and password. So after clicking the sign in, I can access the Meera Satyam dashboard and view the available projects. By selecting join a project and entering the copied code from the previous account, I can join the same project. If the project owner approves the request, the project will appear under my account with the status updated accordingly. The project owner section also shows who created the project. You can also view overdue projects, which show what tasks or projects are delayed. By clicking edit details or mark complete, you can update finish any task. So when the task is marked completed, it can able to be reflect on the dashboard in the above screen. So now this is the overall type. So the home page shows all your pending tasks, projects and activity feed. You can scroll through multiple projects and tasks all in one dashboard. So now this is the overall feed for the above dashboards and its characteristics. So when you try to logging out of this button, you can get out of this button. So next, when you sign in, so after getting into the sign in, they must enter their full name, email. Here I used a dummy email and set a password following the required character rules. Here the password what I have been written in the type, it should be confirmed in the confirm password. Suppose if both doesn't match, then it will pop up the message such as password doesn't match, so it should match the above password conditions. So but after requiring into my settings, I have been created my account. Here you can able to be see I have been signed into my already existing email. So by giving the sign in options, it takes you to the basic information such as destination, role, company, organization, location and the phone number. So after giving it select the next button, then it's about your professional background and skills. There you can add about the ad and bio and skills and technologies whatever you have been well desired with. And next you can log in into with your GitHub profile, so which is considered as the optional, and the LinkedIn profile, which is also considered as the option. By giving the next, you can also select your experience level, which can be ranged from different varieties. And next, complete your setup. This is your overall project where you can see here.